So we have another problem. Let's see, as it's their book. We might be solving this 2, 5, and 6. So same problem. Intervals. So I'll copy it first. Okay, I'll copy the problem first. You have to insert screen clip. Then 5, 6. The problem is still the same. So we have to identify open intervals. So if it's only asking open intervals, then our answers would be okay, draw. I'll be using pen. So for this particular function, you have here, this is basically at -4, and this one is at -2, and this one is going up. So basically you have a going up to a -4. So that would be, in terms of open interval, that would be from -infinity to a -4. Okay, so that is increasing. So if that would be letter A. I mean, anyway, we can summarize our answers. For -4 to -2, basically if it's asking for open interval, so -4 to -2 is decreasing. So -4 up to -2, it is decreasing. Okay, and then from -2 to a positive infinity, that is already increasing. So if the question for letter A is the part where it is increasing, so our answers should be a -infinity to a -4, and then another open interval from -2 to a positive infinity. So these are both increasing. And then for letter B, decreasing part is from -4 up to a -2. So that would be our answers for letter B. The same questions that was asked a while ago for the first video that I made. Then another one, we have this one guy here. So we can see that this is a positive 1, while this one is, I think, it's positive 5. So we can safely say that from a negative infinity, so this one is negative infinity, of course, going there is a negative infinity, so that's value of x. Negative infinity up to 1, a positive 1, that is decreasing, of course. And then from 1 up to 5, from 1 up to 5, that is increasing. And from 5 up to infinity, positive infinity, of course, going there is a positive infinity. That should be a decreasing. So again, if you want to answer the question, the increasing part would be a 1, 5, an an open interval from 1 to 5. For letter B, for letter B, a decreasing part is from negative infinity to a positive 1, and from positive 5 going to positive infinity. Okay, so that would be the answer for these two. Again, the important here is we can identify that this guy over here is a critical value. This guy over here is a critical value also. Okay, thank you.